carp. Hold on, you got a good shot in him. Just hold on. Just reel him in slow. Hold him slow. Hold him slow. Hold him slow. Let me get an arrow in him. Come on. Okay. I'm ready. Yeah, bring him up a little bit more. Oh, he's going under us. He's going under us. Oh, that's a big one.
Get him?
Yep. Woo! Yeah, that's a big one. Beautiful! Yes! Yeah, baby! Bring him around this way. That is a big fish. That is a big fish. That is a big fish. Look at that fish. Yeah, but I gotta make sure I got him good. Ivy, back. Ivy, oh my gosh. I need both hands. You got it? Oh my gosh. This is by far the biggest. This might be